Hello again at the Wawazen Waterfall School. Today I'm really excited because of this incredible cool water feature. This is a stainless steel water wall, and I will show you in a minute what it looks like in a video when it's running, because there are some cool effects which are generated by this illumination. But yeah, maybe just in advance, I really like the setup. What you can see here is stones, then here's some artificial green grass, then here again some stones. I like the settings, and yeah, it is Andreas who has created this water wall, but he had some challenges. This is why he contacted me. So here you can see the surrounding before he has inserted the stainless steel parts, and he was pretty clever and advanced in his planning, but he had some problems here at the bottom, and he also needed help with the water distribution. This is why he contacted me, and I was glad to support him to create his water wall, but I didn't know that it's going to look so awesome. So let me just show you this video, enjoy it for a minute, and then let's yeah. Incredible, isn't it? So look at that. So without the illumination, it still looks cool, you know, because it's a water wall. Water walls always look cool, are always an eye catcher. But with this illumination, it is super cool, and it's really like a 3D effect. And here it looks a little bit like, you know, beam me up, laser beam from Star Trek, you know. So I really love it, and respect to Andreas who has created this super cool water feature. So yeah, if you would like to create a water feature like that, and if you would like to know how Andreas did it, please contact me, subscribe for free at the Wawazen Waterfall School. We help you creating a reliable and awesome water feature. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will register for free soon, and I hope that you're going to show us what you did in a short. Thank you, bye bye.